Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, in my previous video, I had introduced to you the story, The Thief Story, written by the famous Indian writer Ruskin Bund. There we got to know the story about a 15-year-old boy who was very smooth in pickpocketing and stealing money from others. We do not know what were the circumstances because of which he had got that particular habit at such a younger age. But as the story goes on, we found that that particular 15-year-old boy, had stolen money and had robbed many people in his life. And each time he did a robbery, he used to change his name so that he would easily camouflage, or he would easily move away from the sight of the police and the former employer. This time he found a very gentleman named Anil during a wrestling match. There he found Anil watching the match. Anil was a very gentleman. He was tall and lanky, and he looked very genuine. He seemed to be a kind-hearted man, and finding him very easygoing, this particular 15-year-old boy, he thought that this man can be robbed easily, and he wanted to, make Anil his next target. And he initiated the talk. He started talking to him in the beginning with the help of some flattering words, and gradually Anil came to an agreement that if the 15-year-old boy knows how to cook the food, then he can certainly give him the place to stay with him. He can provide him shelter at home also, right? So with this particular agreement, they started staying together. Now what happens, one day, and as they started spending time with each other, Anil, as we have got to know, that was a very genuine man. He was a very good person. He believed everybody, and he never suspected this particular boy Hari Singh. The name of this particular boy, 15-year-old boy, who had started staying with Anil, as a cook, his name was Hari Singh, right? Hari Singh. And he never suspected his activities, since we know that Anil was a very good person. He was, although struggling in life, he was not well settled. He had a very small earning, but still he has given shelter. He has given shelter to a poor child, who asked him for food, or who asked him for some help. And without knowing his past history, without trying to know about the behavior of that particular boy, he suddenly decided to keep him at home. And let us see how this boy is going to break the trust, how this boy is going to do harm to this particular genuine person Anil. So that is the point of discussion in today's video. So let us move on and try to understand it. So here you find that it was a quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the dates supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. Means every day he could make rupees 1 per day, right? The boy Hari Singh could make 1 rupees of profit a day. Means in 30 days he would easily make 30 rupees of profit, right? In a month he would definitely make a profit of 30 rupees. And still, he did not seem to mind. Who did not seem to mind? That is the point to understand. Anil did not seem to mind. Means Anil never inquired about it. He never inquired. ENQUIRED, enquired. He never enquired about it कि तुम पैसे कितने लिए थे, बाजार तुमने कितने रुपए का किया, क्या क्या सब्जी खरीदा या क्या क्या ग्रोसरीज खरीदी और तुमने कितने पैसे वापस लाए. He never enquired it. कभी उसने पूछताछ नहीं की. He never wanted to know about the expenses. Means it shows that Anil had 100% faith on this particular boy. Okay, clear? He trusted the boy as if he was his own brother or as if he was his own, you know, member of the family. But let us see how this boy is taking advantage of this particular faith and trust. That is the point to discuss here. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. Here comes to know about, here we get to know that what Anil was doing, what was the source of income for Anil. Here we get to know that it seems, ऐसा लगता है, it seem का मतलब लगता है, it seems he wrote for magazines. It seems that Anil was a writer. He was an author. He was a columnist. इंग्लिश में हम लोग उसको क्या कहते हैं, जो न्यूज़पेपर्स के लिए लिखते हैं उनको कहते हैं कॉलमनिस्ट. ओके, न्यूज़पेपर में जो आर्टिकल्स आते हैं उसको कॉलम्स भी कहते हैं, कॉलम्स, कॉलमनिस्ट. ओके, राइट. तो जो कॉलम्स में लिखते हैं उनको कॉलमनिस्ट भी कहते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट अनिल वॉज अ राइटर. अनिल वॉज अ writer and he made only few rupees of income, right? His income was not enough. It was not abundance. ज़्यादा नहीं था, प्रचुर नहीं था. It was just enough to help him survive in that particular city or in that particular place, right? All Anil made money by fits and starts. What do you understand by fits and starts? I mean, by struggling. The meaning of fits and starts matlab by struggling a lot. Okay, he means his earning was not coming regularly. He used to fight a lot. He used to struggle a lot. Okay, so it was his hard earned money. You can say it was his hard earned money, मेहनत का पैसा, you can say. Okay, right. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. एक शाम की बात है. He came home with a small bundle of notes, right? A bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. From where he made this money? He made this small bundles of notes. He got it from a publisher by selling a book to him. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Okay? बिस्तर के नीचे, मैट्रेस के नीचे उसको रखते हुए उसने देखा. टक मतलब डालना, किसी चीज़ के नीचे में डालना. हम लोग कहते हैं टक योर शर्ट इन. ओके, हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बच्चों को जब वो शर्ट निकाल के घूमते रहते हैं, टक योर शर्ट इन, टक योर शर्ट इन. ओके, इसको इंग्लिश में कहते हैं टक योर शर्ट इन, मतलब अपने शर्ट को अंदर डालो. ठीक है, टक योर शर्ट इन. सो व्हाट ही डिड, ही टक्ड द मनी और ही टक्ड द बंडल ऑफ नोट्स अंडर द मैट्रेस. जहाँ पे सोता था उस मैट्रेस के नीचे में उसने क्या किया, ही केप्ट द बंडल ऑफ नोट्स. आई थिंक ही डिड नॉट हैव ए what you can say, almirah or something like that to keep the money in a safe place. Okay, right. But let us see what would happen, whether this particular 15-year-old boy Hari Singh would take away the money or he would simply behave like a good boy. Let us go on to understand it. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. अब एक महीना कम से कम हो गया उसको काम करते हुए. Okay, who has been working with Anil for almost a month? It's Hari Singh. Apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. This is the key point of this particular story. This describes the genuineness, this describes the personality of Anil, what kind of man he was really. Okay, when you go through this particular paragraph, there you get to know that Anil had given him a key to the door. आप किसके हाथ में घर की चाबी दे रहे हो? एक चोर के हाथ में, राइट? एक पिक पॉकेटर के हाथ में, एक रॉबर के हाथ में. ओके, डू यू थिंक दिस डिसीजन ऑफ अनिल was a good decision? What do you say? आपके हिसाब से क्या था? Was it a good decision? Was it a wise decision taken by Anil? Okay, whatever that may be. Okay, उसका डिसीजन हो सकता है कि राइट हो या रॉन्ग हो. वी कांट मेक एनी कमेंट ऑन दैट. हम लोग कुछ नहीं कह सकते. लेट अस सी बट व्हाई ही हैड गिवन, यू नो. अब ये हरी सिंह खुद रियलाइज करता है. ही सेज दैट he was the most trusting person I had ever met. Okay, ये कहता है कि अनिल ही मतलब अनिल was the most trusting person I had ever met. मेरे ज़िंदगी में आज तक मैंने जितने लोगों को देखा, he is the most trusting guy, he is the most trusting personality. वो ऐसा एक बंदा है जो किसी के ऊपर भी विश्वास करता है. believes everybody blindly. Okay, and how can you do wrongs with such people? Okay, जिस बंदे ने आपको घर का चाबी दे दिया, क्या आप उसका गलत इस्तेमाल करोगे? चाबी खोल कर आप उसके घर के सारे सामान तोड़ के चोरी करके ले जाओगे? इज दैट पॉसिबल? लेट अस सी हरी सिंह कैसे बिहेव करता है. हरी सिंह यहाँ पर कहता है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम चीटिंग ऑन द शॉपिंग के समय जो चीटिंग करता था, क्या चीटिंग करता था? 1 रुपीज बचाता था every day he cheated 1 rupees, he saved 1 rupee, or he made a profit of 1 rupee without the consent, without informing his master Anil. Okay, anyway, and Anil also never wanted to know about it. Anil never inquired about it. Anil never asked him that how much money he has returned from the market. He never worried about it also. Okay, and apart from चीटिंग के अलावा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम मतलब अलावा, उसके अलावा. ओके, ठीक है, किसी चीज़ के अलावा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम चीटिंग ऑन द शॉपिंग, आई हैड नॉट डन एनीथिंग इन द माई लाइन ऑफ वर्क. माई लाइन ऑफ वर्क, व्हाट वाज हिज लाइन ऑफ वर्क? यहाँ पे आपको समझना है कि व्हाट वाज द लाइन ऑफ वर्क. किस लाइन का काम करता था, किस तरह का काम. लाइन ऑफ वर्क मीन्स तरह का काम. किस तरह का काम करता था? दैट लाइन ऑफ वर्क वाज रॉबेरी. That was the line of work he was associated with. That was the work that he was supposed to do. That was the work he was very good at. Okay, उस काम में बहुत ज़्यादा सातिर, बहुत शार्प. He was very excellent. He was very smooth. Okay, and he was never cut by anyone in that particular line of work. But unfortunately, while working for Anil for the last 1 month, he has not done this one. उसने ये काम नहीं किया. ठीक है, और वजह क्या है? आई थिंक द रीज़न इज़ वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? आई थिंक अनिल वॉज द मोस्ट ट्रस्टिंग पर्सनैलिटी. ट्रस्ट, अनिल ने जो ट्रस्ट दिखाया, द ट्रस्ट दैट अनिल हैज शोन टूवर्ड्स दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉय हरी सिंह, दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई हरी सिंह हेजिटेट्स. ओके, हरी सिंह हेजिटेट्स टू डू समथिंग बैड विद अनिल. अनिल के साथ कुछ गलत करना नहीं चाहता. ये होता है, कई बार होते हैं कि कुछ बच्चे को देखना, कुछ क्लास में भी ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जिसको क्लास के सभी लोग, टीचर्स के साथ साथ आपके प्रिंसिपल, बाकी क्लास के सभी स्टूडेंट्स कहेंगे ये बहुत बुरा है, बहुत गलत है, गंदा है, बहुत गंदी बातें करता है, गलत गलत काम करता है, दूसरों को मारता है, पीटता है. लेकिन वो कभी आपके साथ ऐसा नहीं किया एंड यू लाइक हिम वेरी मच. वो आपका बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड होता है इसलिए कि आपने उस पर प्रेम दिखाया, आपने उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट दिखाया, और बदले में उसने आपको कभी ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं किया. इट हैपन्स. तो प्यारे बच्चों, दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी चीज़, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन योर लाइफ इज ट्रस्ट. इफ यू शो लव टूवर्ड्स अदर, डेफिनेटली in return also you are going to get love and affection for that. ओके, इसलिए इंग्लिश में एक बहुत बढ़िया है कहावत है, लव बिगेट्स लव, लव बिगेट्स लव, राइट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लव बिगेट्स लव? यानी कि अगर आप प्यार देते हो किसी को, इन रिटर्न, in return you are going to get love for that. Okay, and what is other meaning of this one? Hate begets hate, hate begets hate. मतलब आप किसी को घृणा करते हो, if you hate someone then definitely he or she also would definitely hate you. Okay, and the same way in this particular case also what was happening, you know, ट्रस्ट बिगेट्स ट्रस्ट. ओके, ट्रस्ट बिगेट्स ट्रस्ट. वो ट्रस्ट दिखा रहा, हु वाज शोइंग ट्रस्ट? अनिल वाज शोइंग द एक्सट्रीम लेवल ऑफ ट्रस्ट टुवर्ड्स दिस liar boy Hari Singh, and that's why Hari Singh could not do anything bad with him. Okay, now what more is there? And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. That is why it was so difficult. What why? That is why, because of that blind faith, because of that unfailing love, because of that trust, you know, it has been very very difficult for, you know, Hari Singh to rob this particular Anil. Only because of this trust, every time he tries to do something bad with Anil, it is the trust which comes in between and tries to pulls him back. वो उसको पीछे खींच देता है. Right? Clear? It's easy to rob a greedy man. He says that it's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. किसी greedy man को rob करना, चोरी करना, उसको ठगना, okay, और उसी से पैसे ले जाना, that's quite easy. That's very easy because he can afford to be robbed. He can afford it. He deserves it. Okay? But it is very difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Okay? और ये कह रहा है कि but it is difficult to rob a careless man. लेकिन एक careless man को rob करना बहुत difficult होता है, क्योंकि वो मज़ा नहीं आता. यू डोंट गेट दैट प्लेजर. प्लेजर मीन्स मज़ा, वो आनंद. यू डोंट गेट दैट प्लेजर, क्योंकि चोरी करने के बाद, किसी को ठगने के बाद अगर वो रिएक्ट करता है, देन यू गेट द रियल प्लेजर ऑफ इट. ओके, बट अनिल इज अ मैन, even if you steal the money from the mattress, even if you take some of the essential things from his kitchen or somewhere, then also he will never get to know that what things have been stolen, and he would never inquire about it. वो कभी इसके बारे में पूछेगा नहीं, जिक्र करेगा नहीं. ओके, एंड यू विल नेवर गेट द रियल प्लेजर. और कभी आपको उसका आनंद नहीं मिलेगा. रॉबेरी करने के बाद भी यू कैन नेवर बी हैप्पी, यू कैन नेवर हैव दैट प्लेजर. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक till today, although 1 month has passed, but Hari Singh has not stolen a single thing from the Anil's house. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself, I'm out of practice. I'm out of practice means he has not done robbery for the last 1 month. So that's why he says that I'm out of practice. Okay? And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Okay? उसमें क्या लिखा है इसने? I don't take the money. If I don't take the, अगर मैं पैसा चोरी करके नहीं लेता, if I don't take the money, अगर मैं पैसे नहीं लेता हूँ, what would happen, you know? He will only waste it. वो इस पैसे को waste कर देगा. He will waste this money on his friends. वो अपने दोस्तों के ऊपर लुटा देगा, दोस्तों के ऊपर खर्च कर देगा. After all, he doesn't even pay me. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, after all, सर्वोपरि, हिंदी में कहते हैं सर्वोपरि, सब उससे भी बड़ी बात क्या है? ही डजंट इवन पे मी. वो मुझे पेमेंट भी नहीं देता है. डज नॉट पे मी. अच्छा, पेमेंट नहीं देने की क्या बात है? वाई हरी सिंह इज नॉट पेड बाय अनिल? आई थिंक Anil's income was very meager. He was having a very small income, and that was not enough to pay a salary to Hari Singh. That's why till today, although 1 month has passed, he has not paid a single money to this little boy. Now let us see. Read and find out. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? ये सब चीज़ें कुछ you may think. How does the thief think Anil will react? अनिल कैसे रिएक्ट कर सकता है? वो चोर क्या सोच रहा होगा? थिफ हियर, वो द थिफ इज हरी सिंह इज द थिफ हियर. उस चोर सोच रहा होगा कि अनिल का रिएक्शंस कैसा हो सकता है. Anil is a writer. He may go to the police station and get an FIR lodged also. Okay, or Anil is very careless. He does not even care for whatever the things he has at home, so he would never get to know about it, right? Or he may not share with others also. हो सकता है कि डर के मारे या शर्म के मारे he would never share this particular incident with anybody in the society or among his friends also. So these are some of the things that might happen, or these are some of the reactions that Anil may show. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Okay, और यहाँ पे हमें ये भी पता चलेगा कि हाउ डू पीपल रिएक्ट आफ्टर बीइंग रोब्ड. जब किसी भी व्यक्ति के साथ ये अंजाम हो जाता है, किसी के साथ ये चोरी हो जाती है, ठीक है, किसी का कुछ भी थेफ्ट हो जाता है, देन हाउ डू पीपल रिएक्ट, किस तरह से लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं. ओके, तो दिस ऑल रिएक्शंस आर ऑल्सो देयर हियर. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. डज अनिल रियलाइज दैट ही हैज़ बीन रोब्ड? क्या अनिल को कभी रियलाइजेशन होगा कि उसका किसी ने चोरी किया था? वुड ही एवर रियलाइज? कभी वो रियलाइज करेगा? कभी पता भी चलेगा उसको? लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. अनिल वॉज अस्लीप. अनिल सोया हुआ था. अ बीम ऑफ मूनलाइट स्टेप्ड ओवर द बैल्कनी एंड फेल ऑन द बेड. ओके, अ बीम ऑफ मूनलाइट स्टेप्ड ओवर द बैल्कनी. बैल्कनी से मतलब मूनलाइट, वो बैल्कनी देते हुए आकर क्या हो रहा था? इट फेल ऑन द बेड. वो उसके बेड तक पहुंच रही थी. आई सेट अप ऑन द फ्लोर. मैं फ्लोर के ऊपर बैठा. कंसिडरिंग द सिचुएशंस. ही वॉज जस्ट टेकिंग ए नोट ऑफ द सिचुएशंस कि सिचुएशंस कैसा है, whether that particular situation was favorable for his theft or not, whether that condition, whether that moment was suitable for his robbery or not. He was thinking about that. Who was thinking? It was Hari Singh, who was busy thinking about all the situations. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. If I took the money, now after taking the money, he can't stay there, right? अब ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि पैसा भी ले लिया और उस घर में रह लिया. डेफिनेटली उस घर में कोई आता नहीं. नो बडी कम्स टू दैट हाउस. सो अनिल वुड डेफिनेटली सस्पेक्ट दैट यंग बॉय हरी सिंह. सो once he takes money, he must go out. He must leave the house and go somewhere else. So now he has planned to go to Lucknow. Okay, there is a train that goes to Lucknow at 10:30. ठीक है. अब वो कह रहा है कि if I took the money, अगर मैं पैसा लेता हूँ, I could catch the 10:30 express. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? 10:30 वाला ट्रेन पकड़कर I can go to Lucknow. I can go to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. अब क्या कह रहा है देखो. Sleeping out of the blanket. ब्लैंकेट ओढ़ के सो रहा था. Who was sleeping on the floor? It was Hari Singh who was sleeping on the floor. और धीरे धीरे अपने ब्लैंकेट को हटाते हुए स्लिप करना. स्लिप मतलब सरकाते हुए. ओके, आई क्रेप्ट अप टू द बेड. धीरे धीरे क्या किया? ही क्रेप्ट अप. क्रिप का पास्ट फॉर्म होता है क्रेप्ट. क्रिप मतलब क्या है? घुटने पर चलना. क्रेप्ट मतलब घुटने टेकते हुए, घुटने पर ही चलते चलते. ही केम अप टू द बेड. अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. अनिल सो रहा था शांत. हिज फेस वॉज क्लियर एंड अनलाइन. There was no mark on his face. It seemed that he was enjoying a very sound sleep. Okay, he had no worries in his mind. Okay, I had more marks on my face, लेकिन मेरे चेहरे पे ज़्यादा लकीरें दिख रही थी. I had more marks on my face. Clear? Though mine were mostly scarce. और ज़्यादा स्किन स्कैर्स भी था, थोड़े से मतलब दाग 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 ऐसे कुछ चिन्ह भी थे. Now let us see how this boy is going to take out the money from the mattress. My hand slid under the mattress. Slid मतलब डालना, किसी चीज के नीचे से हाथ धीरे धीरे डालना, उसको कहते हैं स्लीड. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out. Draw out मतलब निकालना. Draw out means to take out. I took out without a sound means I drew out without a sound. मैंने बिना साउंड निकाले means slowly I took out the money. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side. और उसी समय में अनिल क्या करता है? He gives a reaction. Okay, but he does not open his eyes. He simply turned the side. वो क्या किया? दूसरे साइड में जिस तरफ मुंह करके सोया था, he just reversed. उसके दूसरे तरफ उसने मुंह मोड़ दिया. Towards me, right? उसके तरफ देखने लगा. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. I was startled मतलब चकित हुई. I got astonished. I got surprised. Startled means I got surprised, right? And quickly crawled out of the room. धीरे धीरे crawl out. Crawling and creeping, these two are same meaning. Creeping. Okay, I crawled out of the room. धीरे धीरे मैं बाहर निकला रूम से. When I was on the road, अब रोड तक पहुंच गया, I began to run. Who began to run? Hari Singh started running. He started running. Okay, why he started running? He wanted to catch the train that goes to Lucknow at 10:30. If he would be late, the train would then the train would be missed and he won't be able to go to Lucknow, and that would be a big problem for him. अगर गाड़ी मिस हो जाती है, ट्रेन मिस हो जाती है, that may cause a problem to him. Okay, and he will be cut by Anil. I had the notes at my waist. मेरे कमर में पैसे मैंने डाल के रखा था. Held there with the string of my pajamas. Okay, उसने अपने पायजामा में रखा था. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50. 600 rupees in 50s. 50 rupees के कितने notes होंगे? Then it becomes 600 rupees. Can you tell me? 12 notes, right? So this was his earning. This was the earning of Anil. So this seems to be a very small amount. 600 आज के डेट में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, ये तो आपकी ट्यूशन खर्च भी इतने में नहीं आता है बेटा. आपके ट्यूशन के खर्च भी हो सकता है कि 1000, 1500, 2000 रुपये महीने का जाता होगा. बट दिस 600 रुपीज़ वॉज मोर देन इनफ फ्यू ईयर्स बैक. ओके, if you ask your parents, then they would say that their salary used to be 100 rupees, 200 rupees or 500 rupees few years back, maybe 50 or 20 years back. Okay, so in those days 600 rupees was a very big amount. Okay, it was a big amount. Now I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Now how the boy reacts. Okay, after getting 600 rupees in hand for the first time, I think ever, he feels like an oil rich Arab. What is Arab? Arab means a man from Saudi Arabia. Man from Saudi Arabia. Why this particular man has been used, compared here, or has been written here? किस लिए लिखा गया है? You know that Saudi Arabia is a very rich country. Okay, and every Arabian people are rich farmers. They are very rich. What made them rich? It is their oil fields. Oil means petroleum fields. Okay, wherever you dig the soil, you get the petroleum over there. So if you have a huge piece of land in your village and there you got the petroleum under it, then you'll become a crorepati overnight. You'll become a millionaire overnight. Okay, that's why he he thinks that I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. Means for 1 week or 2 weeks I can live the life of an Arab. Means I can live a lavish life. I can enjoy for at least 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, right? The boy says that I would not worry about anything for the next 2 weeks because this 600 rupees is enough for me to enjoy my life. I can buy, I can eat anything that I want. I can go anywhere that where I want. Okay, and I can live a very, very, luxurious life like an Arab. Okay, like an Arab for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Now let us see whether his dreams would be realized or not. Okay, will it become a reality? क्या वो सच में reality में turn होगा? Or this would always remain a dream for him? Let us try to understand it. अब यहाँ पे बच्चा क्या कहता है देखो. When I reached the station, जब मैं स्टेशन में पहुंचा, I did not stop at the ticket office. मैं टिकट ऑफिस में रुका भी नहीं. Means whenever you go to the platform, what do you do first? First of all, you collect the ticket. If you want to travel in the train, then you have to collect the traveling ticket. Or if you want to meet somebody at the station or at the platform, then you have to collect the platform ticket nowadays, right? But this particular boy says that I did not stop at the ticket counter. I had never bought a ticket in my life. It shows that he has traveled many a times in the train. Okay, this particular line states that it proves that this is not the first time that he is going to make his journey in a train. Many a times he has traveled without ticket. But do you know, traveling without ticket is an offense. It's considered to be a crime. It is considered to be a crime. You may be booked, you may be fined, okay, and you may be jailed for few years also, right? Now, but dashed straight to the platform. Dashed straight means went straight. What is the meaning of dashed here? Went. I went straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. Very unlucky, I would say. The boy seems to be very unlucky. Although he has 600 rupees of money, okay, robbed from Anil, but unfortunately today he missed the train. Okay, the train was just moving out, means it had already left the platform and he can't catch it now. He's not in a position to run and catch the train. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. अब यहाँ पे here comes a big problem, देखो. अब तो मैं आपको ये कह रहा था कि वो ट्रेन चालू हो गया, सो ही कैन नॉट कैच इट ऑल्सो. अब लेकिन इसकी कॉन्फिडेंस देखो, ये क्या कह रहा है, द ट्रेन हैड स्टिल टू पिक द अप द स्पीड. मतलब ट्रेन अभी भी स्लो चल रही थी. जैसे कि प्लेटफॉर्म में छोड़ते छोड़ते यू कैन इनिशियली द स्पीड रिमेन्स वेरी लो एंड एट दैट मोमेंट यू माइट हैव सीन सम एक्सपर्ट्स पीपल दोज हु आर द vendors who usually travel in the trains regularly and sell their things. Okay, they have the habit of boarding down and boarding up the train even when the train is on the run, right? They can do it. And the boy says that I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. वो कह रहा है कि I should have been able to jump, मतलब मैं jump करके जा सकता था. He could have jumped into one of the carriage. He could have jumped into one of the cabin and he could have traveled also. But I hesitated. Here comes the word hesitate. Why he hesitated? What stopped him from taking the train? What stopped him from going to Lucknow? Why he's hesitated? What's the reason of his hesitation? वो hesitate क्यों किया? क्यों नहीं गया? What is the factor that's pulling him back? ऐसी कौन सी फैक्टर है जो उसको पीछे खींच रहा है? Is it the trust of Anil? क्या वो अनिल का ट्रस्ट है, विश्वास है? Let us try to understand it. For some reason I can't explain. Hari Singh says that he can't he can't explain why he did not catch the train. He can't explain it, and I lost the chance to get away. I lost the chance to get away. Means he lost the chance. Okay, that was the only chance that he could have slipped. Okay, he could have ran away, or he could have gone away from Anil, and Anil would have never come to know about him, right? But unfortunately, on that day, unfortunately, he encountered hesitation from inside, and the hesitation stopped him from going away. And because of that, he did not move. He did not try to catch the train. He did not jump into the carriage. He remained there. Now let us see what's next he's going to do. Will he come back to Anil's house? Or will he go out and enjoy the money in the market? Or is he going to find a new, you know, client for robbery? Okay, so where he will go back, that is the point to discuss now. Let us try to go into the text and find it. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted platform. What is the meaning of desert? Desert word का meaning होता है, डेजर्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है बच्चों? रेगिस्तान. अ प्लेस वेयर यू फाइंड नो बडी. ऐसी जगह को कहते हैं डेजर्टेड प्लेटफॉर्म. यहाँ पे डेजर्टेड वर्ड इज हैज़ बीन यूज्ड एज एन एडजेक्टिव. इसमें एक एडजेक्टिव के रूप में यूज किया. कैसा प्लेटफॉर्म? डेजर्टेड, सुनसान. ओके, lonely platform. Nobody was there in the platform. Now the train had gone. The people who had come to meet their relatives, they have also left the platform. The officers who were on the duties, they have gone back to their chambers. So the platform is, in a complete solidarity. There is nobody. No one is there. I had no idea where to spend the night. The boy says that I had no idea where to spend the night. The लड़का कहता है कि मेरा आइडिया नहीं था कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. Where should I go? What should I do with this money? He's worried. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He didn't have any friends. Why, Why this particular boy did not make any friends in that particular town or in that particular city? He believed that friends would bring more trouble for him. Okay, if he makes friendships, then he can't cheat the people. He can't cheat the people. He can't rob the people. Right? He would be easily caught by the police, and he'll be easily identified by the public. That's why he has never made friends in his life. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. अब क्या कहता है यहाँ पर? And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. Means he had no interest in staying in a hotel and enjoying that money. पता नहीं उस दिन उसके अंदर में क्या feelings आ रही थी. He was getting some, I think, gradually his life was changing. He was getting transformed from inside. वो अंदर से ही change हो रहा था. He was getting transformed. There was something that was changing him completely, right? We don't know what was that factor. Who was changing him? Whose influence was that? We can't even answer that questions. But somehow we can understand that there was some change going on inside his heart. There were some changes that were going on in his mind. Okay, he was gradually becoming a good personality. He was gradually transforming into a good boy. Now, and what he did, the only person I knew really well, इतने दिनों तक 15 साल हो गए उसको, लेकिन किसी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप्स नहीं. He doesn't have a good friend. He doesn't know anybody to go and ask for shelter or food, except this particular boy with whom he has spent almost 1 month of time, that is Anil. Right? I walked slowly through the bazaar. अब वो बाजार तरफ से धीरे धीरे वॉकिंग कर वापस आने लगा. इन माई शॉर्ट करियर एज अ थीफ, यहाँ पे कहता है, इन माई शॉर्ट करियर एज अ thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear. Greedy man कैसे बिहेव करते थे? ये अपने 15 साल का जो शॉर्ट एक्सपीरियंस है, 15 ईयर्स से पता नहीं कितने साल तक उसने चोरी किया, पैदा होते ही तो चोरी नहीं किया होगा, मस्ट बी मे बी 10 ईयर्स और 11 ईयर्स में चोरी करना शुरू कर दिया होगा, मे बी 3 or 4 ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस ही मस्ट बी हैविंग, राइट. सो एनीवे, सो यहाँ पर क्या कहता है, आई हैड मेड ए स्टडी ऑफ मैंस फेसेस एंड दे हैड लॉस्ट देयर गुड्स, राइट. मैं लोगों का फेस पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया, आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग देयर फेस एंड आई न्यू हाउ पीपल बिहेव्ड. मैं दूसरों को फेस देख के पहचान लेता था कि कैसे लोग बिहेव करते थे. द ग्रीडी मैन शोड फियर. जो ग्रीडी होते थे वो डर जाते थे. द रिच मैन शोड एंगर. जो धनी व्यक्ति होते थे दे गॉट फ्यूरियस, दे बिकेम एंग्री, राइट. द पुअर शोड एक्सेप्टेंस. और जो गरीब होता था वो बेचारा शांत ही रहता था, चोरी हो गया क्या करूँगा, किसके पास जाऊँगा, पुलिस के पास जाऊँगा तो पुलिस उल्टा खा लेगी. सो they simply showed acceptance, means this accepted it, okay, means it happens, it's a normal thing, it happens, right. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. लेकिन ये कहता है कि when he discovered the theft, जब अनिल डिस्कवर करेगा, when Anil would get to know about the theft, when he would come to know about the theft, when he would know the fact that I had taken his money, okay, then there would be sadness in his face. His face would be completely, covered with the sadness. That would be surrounded with the sadness. वो पूरे sadness से भर जाएगा. उसके not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Not for the loss of money. पैसे के लिए नहीं. किस लिए वो दुखी हो जाएगा? Not for the loss of money. पैसे खो गया इसलिए नहीं. बट फॉर द लॉस ऑफ ट्रस्ट. उसका विश्वास टूट गया. जिसको चाबी दे रखा था उसने इतना विश्वास किसी को किया. ही ट्रीटेड हिम लाइक हिज ओन ब्रदर. ही बिलीव्ड हिम एंड ही हैड complete trust on him, and finally the trust was broken by this particular boy. So this would be the thing that would make him very very sad. This would be the factor that would make him very sad. Okay, I found myself in the मैदान. वो धीरे धीरे मैदान की ओर आ गया. And sat down on a bench. एक बेंच पड़ा हुआ था, वहीं पर बैठ गया. The night was chilly. रात बहुत ठंडी पड़ रही थी. It was early November. नवंबर का महीना, ये तो you can guess it's the winter season. Okay, it is the arrival of winter, and in that particular month, it's very difficult to stay outside the home. And a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Okay, light drizzle means हल्की बूंदों की बारिश, हल्की बारिश, little bit of rainfall was there, and the light drizzle added to my discomfort means that made him very very discomfortable, that made him very very uncomfortable. Okay, soon it was raining quite heavily. धीरे धीरे बरसात बनने लगा. It started raining heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin. How vividly he describes. देखो रस्किन बंड की सबसे बड़ी जो बात होती है बच्चों, जो सबसे यूनिक चीज़ें होती है, द वे ही राइट्स. ओके, ही डिस्क्राइब्स एवरीथिंग वेरी वेरी विविडली. बहुत पिन पॉइंटेडली ही डिस्क्राइब्स एंड दैट मेक्स हिम creates the real picture in the mind of the reader, so that the reader would try to involve and try to create the picture of that particular scene in his brain and in his mind, and he would try to involve himself there. Clear? So that's the beauty of the Ruskin Bund's writing. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखते हैं my shirt and pajama stuck to my chin. आप कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा, कभी अगर बारिश में भीगे होंगे, have you ever got wet in the rain? स्कूल से आते समय कभी भीग गए होंगे ना, तो देखे होंगे कि कैसे हमारे भीग जाने से क्या होता है, the pant and the shirt, they stick to our skin. वो हमारे शरीर से चिपक जाते हैं. Okay, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. The cold wind and the rain, they blew across his face. So there were two things that made him very discomfortable. Okay, that added, that made him very uncomfortable that night. Okay, what was that? The cold rain was there, along with the breeze that was blowing over there. Now let us see what more is there here. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the cloak. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. बाजार में वापस चला जाता है वो मैदान से. And again he sat down in the clock tower. क्लॉक टावर के नीचे बैठ जाता है. The clock showed midnight. रात हो चुकी थी, मिडनाइट का समय था. I felt for the notes. ठीक है, they were damp from the rain. अब उस समय उसको रियलाइज हुआ कि the notes that he had stolen, notes that he had taken from Anil, they were wet and they were getting damp. They felt like damp. वो damp जैसे feel हो रहा था, ऐसे कि गीला गीला सा महसूस हो रहा था. Anil's money, अनिल का पैसा. In the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. अब ये सोचने लगा. Now he is realizing, he is thinking about अनिल, कि अनिल के साथ क्या बीतेगा. The next morning when he wakes up, जब वो उठ जाएगा, how he would behave, कैसे behave करेगा वो. Right? Clear? कि वो सुबह उठ के मुझे 2 रुपया या 3 रुपया देता, and I would have gone to the cinema. हो सकता है कि मैं सिनेमा देखने जा सकता था. Okay? And now I have it all. मेरे पास अब सारे पैसे हैं. I could not cook his meals. मैं आज उसका खाना भी नहीं बना पाया. Run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Okay? I could not cook his meals. Run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Clear? पैसे तो ले लिया, but I could not cook his meals. Okay, I think he by the time, by over this 1 month of time, I think he has started learning cooking also, and I think he enjoys it. That's why he mentions that I could not cook his meals. मैं उसके लिए खाना नहीं बना पाऊंगा. Okay, and that pains him, that gives him lot of pain. Now here comes the realization. Okay, here comes the confession. Confess कर रहा है वो, अपने गलतियों का एहसास कर रहा है वो, अपने आप कन्फेस कर रहा है, रियलाइज कर रहा है कि यस, आई हैव डन ए ग्रेट मिस्टेक इन माई लाइफ बाय ब्रेकिंग द ट्रस्ट ऑफ अ मैन हु हैड कंप्लीट फेथ ऑन मी. राइट? रन टू द बाजार और लर्न टू राइट. मैं अब सीख भी नहीं पाऊंगा, बाजार नहीं जा पाऊंगा, बिकॉज ही वॉज द ओनली मैन हु सेंट मी टू बाजार. ही वॉज द ओनली मैन हु taught me how to read and write. Such a good man, such a friendly man. I never had seen a man like him. Okay, but unfortunately, because of my this habit, because of my this act, I won't be able to enjoy all those things again. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. बोल रहा है कि I had forgotten, मैं भूल गया था. I had done, मैं कर लिया था. I had forgotten, मैं वो सब भूल गया था. About them, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में. इन द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ थेफ्ट, चोरी के एक्साइटमेंट के समय, चोरी करने की जो जोश था ना, एक्साइटमेंट मीन्स जोश. राइट? चोरी का जो एक्साइटमेंट था उस समय में इन सब चीज़ों को भूल गया. आई फॉरगॉट दैट हाउ गुड अनिल वॉज फॉर मी, हाउ हेल्पफुल अनिल वॉज फॉर मी. ओके, एंड हाउ ग्रेट वॉज आवर फ्रेंडशिप. ओके, एंड हाउ ही हेल्प मी ड्यूरिंग माई प्रॉब्लम. होल सेंटेंसेस. आई नो I could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple as to be cut. Right? अब ये रियलाइज करता है यहाँ पर, क्या कहता है यहाँ पे देखो. I know I could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. वो कह रहा है कि मुझे पता है. whole sentences, if I learn whole sentences, अगर मैं सारे सेंटेंस लिखना सीख जाऊँगा, then I hope I can earn 100 rupees, like 100 or more rupees like Anil in one day. Right? It was a simple matter to steal. चोरी करना तो बहुत सिंपल मैटर है. एंड समटाइम्स जस्ट एज सिंपल टू बी कॉट. पकड़े जाना भी उससे और ज़्यादा सिंपल होता है. बट टू बी अ रियली बिग मैन, टू बी अ रियली ग्रेट मैन and a clever and respected man was something else. Okay? A clever and respected man, थोड़ा चालाक, respected, सम्मानित व्यक्ति होना, was something else. Now he has understood the importance of education. Now he has understood the importance of rapport. Now he has understood the importance and the significance of, a good behavior and a good personality. Okay, that's why he says that he has understood the importance of all these things. I should go back to Anil. मैं चला जाना चाहिए अनिल के पास. Who says that? Here the boy Hari says that I should go back. मुझे चले जाना. I should go back. आई शुड डू इट, मुझे कर लेना चाहिए. आई शुड गो देयर, मुझे वहाँ जाना चाहिए. आई शुड गो बैक टू अनिल, मुझे अनिल के पास चले जाना चाहिए. आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ, मैं अपने आप को बोला. हरी ने अपने आप से कहा. ही टोल्ड हिमसेल्फ, राइट. इफ ओनली टू लर्न टू रीड एंड राइट. वाई, किस लिए चले जाना चाहिए? वाई शुड ही गो बैक? वाई शुड ही गो बैक? किस लिए? पैसे वापस देने के लिए, या अपनी भलाई दिखाने के लिए, या टू बिकम ए गुड मैन? नो, only to learn read and write. This is the greatest confession you can find in the life of a thief. This is the greatest realization that has come in the life of a robber. Okay, clear? Now I hurried back to the room. मैं तुरंत रूम में दौड़ दौड़ के आ गया. hurried back, hurried means फटाफट आ जाना. feeling very nervous, बहुत nervous feel कर रहा था. for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. चोरी करना तो बहुत आसान है, but returning the same undetected, बिना किसी को पता चले उसको, undetected मतलब बिना पता चले, डिटेक्ट करना मतलब पता कर लेना. ओके, डिटेक्ट, डिटेक्टिव होते हैं ना जो पता कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, ठीक उस तरह अनडिटेक्टेड मतलब बिना पता चले उसी पैसे को रिटर्न कर देना. दैट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, दैट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. ओके, आई ओपन द डोर क्वाइटली, मैंने धीरे 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 दरवाज़ा खोला. देन स्टूड इन द डोरवे, दरवाजे के पास खड़ा हुआ. इन क्लाउडेड मूनलाइट, मूनलाइट से भरा हुआ रूम था. अनिल वॉज स्टिल अस्लीप, अनिल फिलहाल सोया हुआ था. आई क्रेप्ट टू द हेड ऑफ द बेड एंड माई हैंड केम अप विद द नोट्स. ओके, और इसने क्या किया? आई क्रेप्ट टू द हेड ऑफ द बेड, वो बेड की तरफ गया. एंड माई हैंड केम अप विद द नोट्स, और उसका हाथ ने क्या किया? नोट्स रख दिया. आई फेल्ट हिज ब्रीथ ऑन माई हैंड, एंड उसी दौरान he could feel the breath of Anil. Anil was in a deep sleep, right? I think, I don't know whether Anil was half asleep or fully asleep. We don't know that. Whether Anil got to know, Anil could discover that the money had been stolen by his friend Hari Singh or not. I don't know that one. Okay, clear. But somehow this particular boy Hari Singh could feel, he could feel the breath of Anil on his hand. I remained still for a minute. मैं वहीं मेरा हाथ धीरे धीरे रख दिया ताकि फटाफट खींच लेगा तो Anil will wake up. He will get to know. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. तब फिर क्या हुआ? He slipped the money under the mattress. I woke up. Sorry. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. मैं थोड़ा लेट उठा. He stretched out his hand towards me. वो उसका stretched out मतलब हाथ बढ़ाना. Stretched out. Okay, past form है ये. He stretched out his hand towards me. उसने अपने उसका हाथ बढ़ाया. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers, और उसके हाथ में 50 रुपये का एक नोट था. My heart sank. इसके क्या हो गया? इसके तो हार्ट बीट बढ़ने लगा. माई हार्ट सेंक, वो समझ नहीं पाया कि हो क्या रहा है. हो सकता है कि क्या अनिल को पता चल गया. ओके, माई हार्ट सेंक. ओके, बहुत दुख लगा इसको. आई थॉट आई हैड बिन डिस्कवर्ड, उसको लगा कि मैं तो डिस्कवर हो गया हूँ. आई हैव बिन डिस्कवर्ड. लगता है अनिल हैज़ गॉट टू नो अबाउट माई robbery. He got to know that I had taken the money. That's why he's handing me over a 50 rupee note. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. और अनिल ने क्या कहा? He told him that I made some money yesterday. कल मैंने कुछ पैसे कमाए थे. Right? I earned some money. I made some money yesterday. Now you will be paid regularly. और इसके बाद from today onwards you will be paid regularly. आपको मैं रेगुलर सैलरी दूंगा. You will be paid regularly. You will get your salary. My spirits rose. कहता है कि मेरे आत्मा में जान भर गई. My spirits rose. He was getting nervous. He thought what Anil would react, how Anil would react, what Anil was going to say. That is what in his mind. वो उसके दिमाग में वही चल रहा था कि is Anil going to scold him, or was Anil going to put him in the jail, or was Anil going to surrender him to the police, right? So that's where the feelings that were coming in the mind of this boy but very fortunately, Anil did not react in that way. Rather, he brought him a good news by handing him over a 50 rupees note. 50 rupees note देकर कहा कि from today onwards you are going to get your salary regularly, right? My spirits rose. मेरी आत्मा में जान भर गई. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. लेकिन जब मैं पैसे लिया, I could feel that it was still damp. कहता है कि वो तब भी डैम्प था. तो अनिल, कुछ तो फील हुआ होगा अनिल को, बट ही डिड नॉट डिस्क्लोज इट. पर उसने इसको हरी सिंह को पूछा नहीं कि ये पैसे गीला कैसे हुआ. ही डिड नॉट आस्क. ही नोज दैट इट वाज अंडर द मैट्रेस, सो इन नो वे इट कैन बी वेट, इन नो वे इट कैन बी डैम्प. ओके, unless and until it is taken out, or unless and until it has been taken by somebody else, it can't get wet, it can't be damp, right? But still, Anil's trust towards this little boy remained as it was. Okay, and he did not even ask him any questions and simply handed him over a 50 rupees note, his salary. Today we'll start writing sentences, or Anil ne giving one more good package to him. Okay, as if he's getting many good things on that particular day. तो ये होता है बच्चों, जब आप कोई गलती काम से जब मन फिराते हो, when you confess your sin, जब आप अपनी गलती को मान लेते हो, when you realize it, then you start getting many good things in your life. लोग कई बार, माँ बाप, बड़े लोग, टीचर्स जानबूझ के आपकी चीज़ों को अनदेखा कर देते हैं. इसलिए अनदेखा करते हैं ताकि आप अच्छे बच्चे बन जाओ. सो रियलाइजेशन इन लाइफ इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. Self realization is more important. If someone is correcting you, if your teacher is trying to correct you, if your parents are trying to correct you, that would not last for long. वो ज़्यादा दिन तक लास्ट नहीं करेगा. That is not permanent solution unless and until you change yourself. जब तक आप अपने आप को चेंज नहीं करोगे, there would be no permanent change in your life. So that's why now there is a permanent change in the behavior that has come in the life of this little boy Hari Singh, a 15-year-old thief. He has changed his life, okay, and he has confessed his sin also, right? And that's why he is getting many packages today. Okay, many advantages are coming, many blessings are coming, many good things are coming to his life. First good thing, that his salary was paid for the first month. Okay, right? Second good thing is that Anil asked him to teach. Anil asked him to teach how to write sentences also. Anil ने उसको कहा कि कैसे sentence लिखना है. He would teach him today. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. यहाँ पर बात होती है, अनिल को पता चला कि नहीं, but this sentence tells you everything. This paragraph reveals everything, that Hari Singh's theft was discovered by Anil. It was known to Anil that his money had been taken by Hari Singh the previous night, but he did not say a single word about it. He did not even ask the little boy to explain why he had taken the money or why he had stolen the money. Okay, this shows his greatness. ये उसकी महानता को दिखाता है. Okay, this shows that he was a really great human being. इससे ये पता चलता है कि वो really एक बहुत बड़ा व्यक्ति था. Okay, clear. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. और मैंने क्या कर दिया? I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. He gave a beautiful smile. Okay, a very pleasant smile, right? And the smile came by itself. और वो smile जो था वो बहुत natural था. Okay, without any effort. पहले जैसे एफर्ट करके मैं स्माइल देता था, नो. द स्माइल दैट आई गेव ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर डे, ओके, was, that was very quite natural. That came from my heart, that came from the within. Okay, and I was completely changed. In this way, the life of a thief completely changed. Okay, with the help of trust shown by a great human being. So my dear children, इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि लाइफ में वट एवर द रॉन्ग हैबिट्स दैट यू हैव एट प्रेजेंट, दैट डजंट मैटर. ओके, दैट डजंट मैटर. एट एवरी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम you have in your hand द फ्यूचर, आपके हाथ में आपके फ्यूचर है पड़ा है बेटा. यू कैन चेंज योर फ्यूचर whenever you want. You can make a comeback. You can come back to the mainstream. If you are not doing well in studies, if you have been cheating your parents for years, if you have been cheating your friends, if you have been cheating your family members, no matters. Give a chance to your heart to come back. Try to make your life beautiful. Try to be a part of the family. Try to confess the sin that you have done. Try to realize all those mistakes that you have done in past, and definitely the life would change. And when you make those confessions in life, when you make those realizations in life, then what happens, you start getting good things in life. You'd realize that everyone is good for you. Okay, everybody loves you, everybody likes you, and they want you to live happily in the world. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of this particular chapter, dear children. I hope you all have enjoyed it, right? You must read it in detail, go through it line by line, word by word. Try to create the picture of Hari Singh and Anil in your mind. Try to involve yourself in this particular activity. How you would have reacted if you were in the position, if you were in the place of Anil. What you would have done? आप क्या करते उसके जगह होते तो अनिल की जगह? Just think for a minute. कुछ समय के लिए सोचो. Okay, are you as good as Anil? Okay, or are you better than Anil? Or you are not as good as Anil? आप किस लेवल पे आपको रैंक करना चाहोगे? हाउ डू यू रेट योर सेल्फ? आप अपने आप को रेट कैसे करोगे? ओके, क्या आप अनिल से बेहतर हो, या अनिल के बराबर हो, या यू आर नॉट एज गुड एज अनिल, या आप अनिल से बेहतर हो नहीं? ओके, एंड व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट मूव दैट you are going to make in your life? That also should be taken, that decision should be taken today only. Okay, are you going to realize for your mistakes? Are you going to give your life a new chance? Are you going to become a good boy or a good child in your life? Clear? So all those things are very, very essentials when you go through the text and appreciate it. So with that, I hope you all have enjoyed it. Okay, thank you very much.